Hello, today I'm doing a really bright early 2000s Lizzie McGuire inspired makeup look. Start out by priming the eyelids with a bright concealer or actual base. It will help the colors pop. Of course, I had to bust out the ColourPop Lizzie McGuire palette. Starting out with the bright green shade, Don't Freak. Put it all over the lid and blend it upwards, leaving room for brow bone highlight. Going over top of that on the inner 2/3 of the eye with a shimmer version of the green, called Dear Diary. Highlighting the brow bone with the really frosty cream shade, Buh-Bye. I had to use a different palette for the dark green, lightly go in with a complementary darker green on the outer third of the eye. Now onto the other eye. At this point, I was still unsure of the eye look. It's once the eyes are done that I was more confident in the look. This palette is so nice. If ColourPop does one thing, it's make buttery soft eyeshadows. Using a hydrating primer since my skin is dry. I can't wait for winter to be over. Concealing my dark circles and anywhere else that I want a little more coverage. Finishing the rest of my base with a thin layer of e.l.f. Halo Glow and my Revlon Colorstay. Baking my T-zone to control oil and lightly powdering the rest of my face to set the products in place. Framing the bottom lash line with Digital Bean and Outfit Rememberer. Bronzing up the perimeter of my face. It adds warmth and definition. Defining my nose a little. Lots of pink blush. This eyeshadow, Buh-Bye, makes the prettiest highlight. Melt the powders. Lining and tight lining in black to add a sharpness to the eye. With a nude liner, it would look a little too soft. Lots of thin layers of mascara. This gets on my nerves. I have a bad habit of sleeping with my face smashed into the pillow, so these lashes are a little wonky. Filling in and defining my brows. Brow wax to keep them in place. I've never used this, but it's so pretty. It's a sheer, sparkly red. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.